Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2016 Ford F150. Stock number on this truck is 7325. Take notice of the exterior condition. On a virtual video walk around, we're going to show you this truck very up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. This is the Sport Edition, as you can see. Tonneau covering. Making our way around, we're going to go on the driver's side. Absolutely impeccable. Warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. That's the sunset difference. Really love the interior colors of the seats. The dash, easy access to everything. Power windows, locks, cruise tilt. Absolutely a fully loaded, low mileage truck. Only 35,000 miles to boot. For more information, call us, email us, text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd love to meet you, and we hopefully can earn your business. Make it a great day. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around.